Hi everyone, today I'm making a sausage roll puff pastry, and I actually buy this puff pastry that is ready made in bakery shop. This brand is all butter and it costs about $5 for 3 sheets. Yeah, you can see it here clearly. Yeah, so you have to wait for it to chill, and then you start rolling your pork mixture into the pastry sheet. And this is how it looks like from the inside. Look at the pork mixture here. Yeah, so I will give you the recipe instruction in my video here, how to make the pork mixture for your sausage roll. And after you done your sausage mixture, you chill it in the fridge for 8 hours so that the marinade will actually get into the mixture. After that, you bring it out from the fridge and you can start rolling them into the pastry sheet. After you roll them right, it will be in this shape, a long one, and then you have to keep it in the fridge if you want it for later use. If not, you cut into small regular shapes like this before it goes into the baking oven. And right here, right, I have preheat to 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, before we can put it in, we need to preheat the oven. Okay, so now, what can we do? This is the egg mixture that we will give the sausage roll some colors. Okay, put it here, and after that, you can use your fork to press some shape. You can make dots also, and you can actually line it. So this is how we press the shape. Yep. And then we sprinkle some sesame seed. Here you go, on top, so that there is some aroma coming out after the baked good is done. You can sprinkle a lot because yeah, it tastes very nice. And you can even put some cheddar cheese on top when it's half baked, so that when the final product comes out, you have some crispy cheddar cheese on top of your sausage roll. If you want to use cheddar on your sausage roll, it will be bake time of 10 minutes, but now we don't use it, so we will bake this sausage mixture for a total of 20 minutes into the oven. So now we are putting this into the oven. Yeah. You have to put it in quick and then quickly close it. So now it is baking, and we need to wait 20 minutes for it to be done. Okay, now it's about done, about 20 minutes plus. So I can take it out already, and we close it back. Yeah, and then let's come and take a look at this already done. Yeah, so you can see the color is brown, golden brown, and it's sizzling also. See the pork inside? This is done. It is our golden brown sausage roll made with all butter puff pastry. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
And we'll see you in the next one.